Hi, in my last video, I showed you how to create a mock-up of our digital product, this particular ebook. We created the mock-up and we used I showed you three different ways of how you can create this mock-up on Canva. And I promised you that in my next video, which is this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create different kinds of beautiful 3D mock-ups using AI, particularly ChatGPT and Gemini Flow. So in this video, we are going to be doing that and we are going to be doing it in less than 10 minutes. The very first thing you need to do is to come to Claude. This is my Claude account. If you don't know how to log in or how to register for Claude, please check out my playlist, which is below this video, where I actually told you how you can, you know, start with Claude. So the first thing I did is I uploaded my ebook to Claude. If you want to know how to create this ebook in less than 15 minutes, how to create your ebook front page with Canva using Canva AI, please watch the playlist below this video. I took you step by step showing you how you can do this in less than no time. So let's continue. I uploaded the ebook here, and then this is the prompt I gave to Claude. You can pause the video and then snap this and you can give it to Claude. I actually use what is called whisper flow to speak to Claude. So you don't need to type it, you just speak, you know. You can also use this microphone here to speak to Claude and it still works. But I prefer whisper flow. If you've not heard of whisper flow, if you want me to do a video on how you can use whisper flow on all your AI, on ChatGPT, on Gemini, on Claude, to speak without typing, drop your comment below this video. I'll do a very short video showing you how to do that. So after this is done, Claude gave me all this. He gave me a full detailed prompt that I'm going to be using on ChatGPT, dial E to generate my 3D mockup for my digital products, which is our ebook. And it also went ahead to give me another detailed prompt for Gemini Nano Banana, which I'm going to be using on Gemini Flow. And he went on to give me a tip that when I'm doing this on Nano Banana, I should also upload my ebook front page because it will help me to really create a polished 3D mockup. So now we have our two prompts. The next thing is for us to go to the first one, and I'm going to be starting with ChatGPT. So I'm going to copy this prompt. To copy this prompt is quite easy. You just copy the prompt, and we are going to be taking it to Nano. No, we are going to be taking it to ChatGPT. If you're actually getting value from this video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that when I upload videos of such high value and information for your digital products, you'll be the first to be notified. It is free to subscribe. Let's continue and let's get to our chat GPT. I didn't show you how to copy this. So to copy this, just come, you see this little square right here. Just click it, copy, and once you click it, you see a tick sign. That means it has copied it. So let's quickly go to our chat GPT. This is my chat GPT. And then you're going to come here where it is written create an image. You click on it, and then we are going to paste that prompt right here. Just hit your Control V and it will paste there. And I always like to check it to ensure that I copied just exactly what I want. I did not copy any extra thing. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do, I am going to also attach that my ebook cover page. And to do that, we go back to Cloth. We are going to download it here. This is the cover page. See, ebook cover page that Cloth did for me. So I'm going to go here. I'm also going to download it. So I'm going to put it on my desktop so that I will know where to find it. It's ebook cover. So that's what I'm going to look for. And I'm going to, no, desktop, not download, desktop. So I'm going to save it so that when I go back to my chat GPT, I'm going to go to this plus. I'm going to go to add photos and files. This is my computer desktop. And I'm going to look for ebook cover. Let me see, where is it? Ebook cover. Or let me just put ebook here to come out. Ebook cover. It's supposed to show me here. Why is it not showing me here? Oh, see it here. So just click on it and then open it. So it will attach it as it see there. It's always good to give it something, to use to create a mock-up, you know. If you have any other pictures of the book, you can also give it to create it. So let's just hit, like now, I just want to use one picture. As I said, you could also download the other pictures you already have as a mock-up on Canva. You could also do that, but let us just do it first and see what it looks like with just our ebook cover page. So we click go. So it's going to take some time to be able to create the image. So while it is doing that, I'm going to go back to Claude and I'm going to copy the one for Nano Banana. I'll also come here to this plus and I'll copy it, and I'm going to go to my Google Flow. Let's get to Google Flow right here. So put in Google Flow dot Google. The very first one here is what you will click on. So it will take me to my account on Google Flow. And then you click on New Project. And then I want to create media. So I'll just come here and I'll do my Control V and paste that. And then come to this place, ensure that it's not on video, click on it, come to images, and I want, do I want 16 by 9? I think 16 by 9 is okay. Or let me do for this one here. Not this. Let me do 4 by 3 because it's an image, you know. Then click on 1 here. When you're generating image on flow.google, it doesn't take any of your credits. It doesn't take your credits. If you're new to Google Flow gives you 50 credit points every day for you to use and do whatever you want. And most of those credits are taken when you want to create video. But we're not creating video now, we are creating an image. And we're using Nano Banana. If you click here, you will see all kinds to use. There's Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Lite. So anyone you can use it, but let's just use this Nano Banana 2. It's okay. Nano Banana 2. And it's creating it once. So you just send it and let it generate the image. So let us quickly look at this other one, see what it has generated. See the mockup it has generated. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful with the coffee there and all that. Very cute, you know. So as I said, we could also upload maybe the 3D that we got from um, Canva, and let's see what that looks like. You see Nano Banana, Nano Banana, see what he gave you? Do you know why he gave me this? I did this purposely. I did not upload the image. So if you just give it the prompt without uploading your image, to give you something abstract, completely abstract. So let's now go ahead and upload our image. Once you click on this plus, click on upload media, then to take us here, and we are looking for that ebook. This is where it is, ebook cover, and then we'll open it. It's uploading. So let it quickly upload. And then while it is uploading, let me just paste this prompt again. So it has uploaded. So we are going to be using this. So let's push it out and let's see what it will come out with. While it is doing that, I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. As I said, I'm going to give it two images to see what it will come up with. So first of all, I'll copy this again. It's the same prompt. I just don't want to go back to, let me just maybe come here and just copy it. I'll copy this again. I'll come back and paste it here. And then the, I'm going to add my ebook cover page. First, let me go and get another picture. I think I have that picture somewhere, ebook. Let me get that picture out first. This picture. And then I press this, go back. And I want this other ebook picture on this one. And then I'm going to open. It gave me only one. I have to go back again now. Add photos. Go back. Add the ebook cover. Open. So I have the two photographs now. Now, I have those two media or two images. So now let's see what it will come up with. So you have to do all this practice and everything. And the more beautiful mockup you have, the more your marketing will be more attractive to people, and people will want to buy your ebook. Just take a look at what Nano Banana Gemini has given to us. It's so cute, it's amazing. One thing I need you to know is that when you're creating this image on Gemini, Google Gemini, using this Nano Banana tool, always ensure that once you've uploaded your media, eh, you still need to select it again before you give the prompt. I repeat, upload your media, then you select it again after you've uploaded it on the Nano Banana, and then you give the prompt. That is when you have this image. But the first time I did it, I did not select the image that I had uploaded. So it did not give me anything. So that's what I need you to know. So lessons you should learn when it comes to Nano Banana: always upload the image of your digital product, and after uploading it, ensure you select it before you paste the prompt. That is when you get exactly what you want. So that is what they gave to us, and it's so cute. So let's look at ChatGPT and compare the two. This is cute. One thing too I need you to know about ChatGPT: to be able to get this, you can also give it a very simple prompt and then upload two images of your digital product, and you still get something, beautiful to be able to use. So from these two, from ChatGPT and Google Flow Nano Banana, which one do you prefer? Drop your comments below this video. I love this one. I love this Nano Banana thing. It's so classy, it's beautiful. And it shows the book in 3D form. So it's so beautiful. With that, I've come to the end of the video. It's a short one, and just try your hands. Once you've created your ebook or whatever digital product you've created, try using ChatGPT or Nano Banana with the prompt I've given to you and create your mockups. And let me know what you think. If you have any challenges, drop your comment below this video. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.